Madami na yung mga introverts na nakikita na magta-thrive sila sa freelance industry because they don't have to deal with a lot of office bullshit. So kung alam mo na ikaw ay hindi naman introvert, pahiyain lang talaga, or ayaw mo lang talaga nakikipag-usap sa ibang tao, pero alam mo sa sarili mo na ikaw ay merong tiny bit of creativity in you that's just waiting for an outlet, then perhaps copywriting is for you. Copywriting is the art and skill of writing text for the purpose of advertising, marketing, publishing, pwede yung sa website, pwede yung sa mga ads. Kumbaga, ang goal ng copywriters ay i-persuade ang mga readers or viewers to take specific action. So whether nagbebenta kayo ng products or services, gusto nyo silang mapasama sa inyong clientele pool, so gusto nyo silang mag-sign up sa inyong website, newsletter, click the link in bio, lahat yan guys, even yung script ng mga ganitong post, that involves copywriting skills. As a freelance copywriter, ang pinakang role nyo lang, nadala naman yung magic word lang. So, unang-una sa lahat, pinakang mabenta ngayon at pinakang, I think based on yung mga nakakausap namin ngayon ng mga clients, ang pinakang unang role nila would be writing marketing contents. So, creating copy for websites, landing page, emails, social media platforms para tulungan sila na i-promote yung kanilang business. Pwede din ang gagawin ninyo is product description, pero in a way na detailed and persuasive yung description. Pwede rin kayo yung gumawa ng sales page or landing page. Or right now, I think ang pinakang malaking impact ng copywriting is sa brand messaging. Kumbaga, you will help companies define their tone, brand message, so you will ensure na may consistency across all communications. Pwede rin kayong gumawa ng content strategy, which is why kung ikaw ay gusto mong mag-SMM pero hindi ka pa sure na magiging SMM ka, copywriting would be a good first step for you. So one of the role ng ginagawa ng copywriter would be, apart from writing of course, you have to be able to understand the target audience, i-research mo yung product or market so that you'd be able to write effectively na mas mag-e-engage at mapopersuade mo yung iyong audience. You put the marketing ideas into words. Parang ganon. Now, if you guys want to learn how to do copywriting, we have a copywriting class this coming weekend. 999 pesos lang siya. At may internship pa na pwede mong gamitin yung output mo sa portfolio mo. If you guys wanna join, punta lang kayo sa profile ko. I-click nyo tong link sa bio ko. Dito sa GigHub, andito na lahat ng kailangan nyo para matuto kayo magsimula na magtrabaho sa bahay. But under live mentorship, hanapin nyo lang 999 copywriting with internship. Kung nasa Instagram kayo, ito yung i-click nyo. Kung nasa Facebook kayo, i-check nyo lang yung caption, nandun na yung straight na link. Straight na link! Direct link dun sa mismong form. Ganon din naman sa YouTube, makikita nyo sa mismong description box. When it comes to the process, ang una yung dadaanan after enrollment at ma-validate yung payment nyo would be onboarding. Online yon, module siya. After nun, makaka-join na kayo sa live session this weekend, and then may 2 weeks kayo na internship, at pagkatapos nun, magkakaroon kayo ng application book session, module din yon, saan tuturuan namin kayo kung paano mag-apply. Pagkatapos, you will have the final activity and your one-on-one with me. All again for the price of only 999 pesos. So inuulit ko lang, sa napakahaba ng pagdadaanan ninyo bago dun sa mismong live session, mag-enroll na kayo ngayon, wag na kayong mag-intay pa. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis, and I'll see you at the classroom. Bye!